So we're at PDSVISION's office in Cleveland, Ohio today. We just got off a successful meeting with 20 salespeople from one of Rockwell Automation's top distributors. And we were showing them our mini factory display and how it integrates into myPDS Ramp, which simplifies creating interfaces into machine data. So I'm here with Sean Fahringer, and he's going to kind of take you through what the mini factory is and kind of what myPDS Ramp does.
Okay, so we've got our mini factory under operation right now. It's emulating production at this moment. It goes through and pretends to produce, an imaginary widget, if you will. It goes through a random cycle of producing these in process to simulate the theory of a real factory. It has 5 primary systems involved in it: automated warehouse, robotics, multi-processing station, which is simulated machining and oven operations, sorting line and detection for color sorting and organization of finished goods. And it also has a sensor station camera assembly on it that allows to take inputs, environmental inputs from the factory. We use this device in conjunction with PDS, the myPDS Ramp. This is the device, the discrete device that's providing data to the myPDS Ramp environment that we displayed and worked with and showed to our partners here today from Rockwell. So this is where the live data stream for IoT is coming from, and it comes from all of those separate systems. So we're getting separate input systems from the robot and the conveyor and all of the different parts of that. In the course of a couple of hours, we bring folks in here and introduce them to this IoT machine device that we use to demonstrate these particular manufacturing processes and data streams. It's obviously using Rockwell's hardware. In a couple of hours, we take this hardware that we have assembled here and we connect it to the myPDS Ramp product here on the software side. So in a couple of hours, the folks from Rockwell come in starting from nothing and connect to this running machine, and then they're displaying the data you see here on the screen right now, connecting to it in real time and getting real-time feedback from that data. So the myPDS Ramp tool is an enormous accelerator for your IoT deployments. We can get you up and running in very little time, taking data points out of your machine, just like or machines, if you have a host of different hardware in your system, just like we demonstrated here for the folks at Rockwell today. These were sales guys from Rockwell. They literally made a connection, created the interface you see on the screen, and we're pulling live data off of the machine in less than 2.5 hours today. So we'd love to show you how to do the same thing if you've got IoT initiatives.
Thanks, Sean. Come talk to us about myPDS Ramp.